So here we can look at a smear of human blood on a slide, and you can see immediately a neutrophil, which is our most abundant type of white blood cell. Here we see several more neutrophils as well as a lymphocyte. And while the lymphocyte stains darkly on this slide, the cytoplasm does, you can still see that big round nucleus that takes up most of the space inside the cell. So it still looks like that big eye looking at you. Here we see more lymphocytes as well as more neutrophils. And you can see that polymorphonuclear shape of the nucleus within the neutrophil, and you can see that it has multiple lobes. And you can see that the neutrophil in general, especially the cytoplasm, has a very light pale stain to it. Here we see our third most common type of white blood cell, the monocyte, with that large kidney bean shaped nucleus, and as a large cell that's typically a lot larger than the surrounding red blood cells. In this sector of the slide, we can also see a neutrophil as well. Here we have an eosinophil, which is recognizable by the bright red cytoplasm, and we can see that it is surrounded by several neutrophils and a lymphocyte. Here's another eosinophil, again recognizable by the bright red cytoplasm. Not surprisingly, two neutrophils can be seen in this image as well. Because of their rarity, basophils can sometimes be difficult to find, and you might not observe one in your sample. Platelets can be difficult to see on some slides, but they typically stain a dark purple, and they are small bits of membrane-bound cytoplasm that only become activated during a clotting response.